Hi, welcome to the Tech Spyglass. So today we are going to discuss about 5 highly useful gadgets that can be employed for various purposes, including ethical hacking and cybersecurity. First up is USB Rubber Ducky. This device simulates a keyboard and can be programmed to execute predefined keystroke payloads. It's commonly used by security professionals for automating tasks, performing penetration tests, and demonstrating security vulnerabilities. Second up is Raspberry Pi, a versatile single-board computer that can be used for a wide range of projects, including building custom hacking tools, setting up network monitoring systems, running penetration testing frameworks, and creating DI security solutions. Third up is Wi-Fi Pineapple, a powerful tool for wireless network penetration testing. The Wi-Fi Pineapple allows ethical hackers to perform man-in-the-middle attacks, capture network traffic, conduct Wi-Fi security assessments, and test the security of wireless networks. Fourth is Alpha Network Wi-Fi Adapter, a high-performance wireless network adapter commonly used by security professionals for conducting wireless security assessments, packet sniffing, network monitoring, and penetration testing tasks. Last one is LAN Turtle, a covert network penetration testing device designed to be plugged into a network to simulate an insider attack. It enables security professionals to remotely access and control a network, perform network reconnaissance, execute various hacking techniques, and assess network security. These gadgets can be valuable tools in the hands of ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals, aiding in the identification and mitigation of security vulnerabilities, as well as in the enhancement of overall security posture. However, it's crucial to use these tools responsibly and ethically, adhering to legal and ethical guidelines. I want to thank you all so much for watching till the end. If you did enjoy it, share this video. I will see you in the next video.